But I think Bradley Cooper might have just walked into this place.
Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my twin.
What's up guys, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Dani, and today I'm going to be taking you guys into a little day in my life while I'm home, because first of all, if you couldn't tell, right now I am home from college. I got home late last night, and I'm going to be here for an entire week. And I'm so happy about it because the last time I was home in October, it was great. I had an amazing time, but none of my friends were here. So it was just me and my fam. Now that pretty much all of my friends are home, I'm going to be hanging out with them. And today is the first day that we're going to be seeing each other since August, which is so incredibly exciting. Overall, this day is going to be one big behind the scenes into Instagram photo shoots because unintentionally, I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures today. So I'm going to be taking pictures with them at the beach, and then I actually have a photo shoot with my friend Shelly at 3 o'clock in New York City. So before I even get into this video, if you guys have not seen my Average Girl Tries to Model for a Day video, you guys have to watch that before you watch this video, because then you will understand exactly what I'm doing and exactly what Shelly does as a photographer. So I'll give you a second, go watch that video, and then jump over back here, and let's just get started into a day in my life. I'm so excited to see the girls. It's been way too freaking long. Hi, ladies. Mandy, that scarf looks like it's eating you. Oh no, I don't want to look at that angle.
That actually is like turning.
Wow. Now that we have eaten and we are all fueled up, we're going to go down to the beach.
Oh, my hair's stuck in the door.
We're going to head down to the beach, take some pictures, and it's gonna be a good time. It's been so long since they've been on my channel. It's making me so happy.
I always think of Dani when I hear Jason Derulo.
Since you told me that every time you hear Jason Derulo, you think of me,
I do.
Every time I hear Jason Derulo, I think of the fact that you think of me, and it makes me so happy.
Oh, I wish
So I just remember like I don't remember what grade it is, like the 10th grade, maybe 9th or whatever. Whenever they would come on, like the Talk Dirty to Me, you'd go to the dance floor and be like, Talk Dirty to Me.
I would be like in the middle of the dance circle. No one asked me to get in there, and I would just get in there.
It'd be someone else's Sweet 16 to be like their like father-daughter dance. You'd be like, it's Jason Derulo time. And you'd like get in there. What could be one type of food? What food would it be? Sorry, I heard you.
That hurted.
Hurted my feelings. If Dani could be any food,
What would I be?
And you would still be a string bean.
I might be a string. No, string beans are too like.
string beans are like Thomas.
floppy.
Like they're very just like
String beans are usually like prepubescent boys.
No, it was an ice cream flavor. You're gonna be mint chocolate chip, Dani.
Oh, I like that.
100%.
I feel like I'm coffee.
Yeah, you would be coffee.
I'm definitely something.
Oh no, you're like birthday cake.
Yeah, I love birthday cake.
Birthday cake, mint chocolate chip,
Gabby's like
coffee. I think
baked with like
yes.
everything in
Gabby's
it.
Oh my god, Gabby is half baked.
Guys, I can't hear anything I've discovered.
And you've always been deaf.
No,
You've always been deaf.
Can we talk about this?
This is not new. Let's bust a move.
Sometimes you go to the beach and you look ugly and want cute pictures with your friends. But if that happens, good luck, Mandy.
Bye ladies, I love you. Bye. See you when I see ya. Long time no talk, everybody. Right now it is 2 o'clock. I was supposed to catch a 1:45 train. Lots of stuff happened. I ended up having to help my dad with stuff, and I took a while longer than I thought I was going to at the beach with the girls, but that's okay because that was a lot of fun, and obviously I have to help my dad. That is a priority. But now I completely redid my makeup, and I'm starting to get ready for the photo shoot. So I have my base done, my eyebrows done, and now I'm moving on to my eyes. what I found, especially throughout the few photo shoots that I've done in the past, I really don't like how dark eye makeup looks on me. I think it makes my eyes look smaller than they already are, which is not something that I tend to go for. I lost my eye primer. Hello? What I choose to do instead is I take this eyeshadow primer, which is from Mica Cosmetics. I've had this thing forever. It's basically a really thick, I mean, honestly, it could, I don't know if I could use it as a concealer, but it's thick like a concealer. And then I top it off with a little bit of translucent powder and then a skin tone eyeshadow shade on top of that. And it kind of just makes my eyes look a lot bigger and brighter than they actually are, which is a necessity when it comes to taking pictures, at least for me, because I have such small eyes. But if you guys are like me in that sense and have small eyes but want to try and make them look a little bit bigger, I would definitely try out this trick because it works. It works really well. All right, I cannot physically put on mascara and look like an actual human being, so I'm going to do this, get dressed, and I'll talk to you guys after I do so. So one thing I might have forgotten to mention in the beginning of this vlog was the fact that it's about 40 degrees outside, and with wind chill, it's probably below freezing. So because of that, definitely have to dress appropriately for the weather. Right now, I'm sweating because the heat is on in my house, but the second I step outside, it's gonna be kind of brutal. I just finished packing up my bag. It's definitely going to be brutal out there, but I think the first stop that we're going to be taking pictures at is a coffee shop. So at least we'll be inside, and then, I mean, if we're gonna be cold, we're gonna be cold together, and everyone else on the street's gonna be cold, so you just gotta suck it up. Gotta do what you gotta do. I'm here with Shelly, taking lots of pics. Just got this hot chocolate. It's Mexican hot chocolate, which I've never had before, but it's decent. I got it for the picture, honestly, mainly, and they won't even give me a cap because it's just filled to the brim with marshmallows, but it's okay, because that's all I'm eating of this $5 hot chocolate anyway. But we've been taking lots of pics. Bryant Park is already decorated for Christmas, which is making me incredibly happy, naturally. Usually I'm fine. It's just like every so often it happens and I'm just like, what? Why? I don't understand. Anyway, so we're going to continue taking pictures, obviously, per usual. Follow Shelly on Instagram. Go check out our website. Everything. If you guys need Christmas cards, she's doing Christmas cards, and you live in the New York and New Jersey area, right? Yeah. She's doing your Christmas cards. Very talented. You guys have to do it. Anyway, we're gonna go take pictures and people are staring at me. Come on. Vlog session! Just did a quick change in the middle of Bryant Park, and now we just found this thing. I don't know what this is. Restaurant, this thing. Is it a restaurant? Oh yeah, it is. Sorry. Yeah, it's a restaurant entryway. Look how pretty this is. Wow. That's gonna be a nice picture. But I just did a really quick change in the middle of the park, and now we're gonna take more pics. Goodbye. La it's on my bag. La But now we are in this really cute cafe, and I just need to document this in case I'm right. I don't know if I am, but I think Bradley Cooper might have just walked into this place. He walked in, and like I never really see celebrities, period, but he walked in, and you can ask, like, Shelly can vouch for me. I literally like sat up from my seat. I was like, is that Bradley Cooper? I really think it might have been him. And granted, even if it was him, I wouldn't go up and say hi, because like, what if he says no? Can you imagine if I was like, hi, can I get a picture? And he was like, no. That would be mortifying. But I'm like, I'm gonna go with 80% sure that it was him. I'm really confident right now. Also, we Googled it, and he just bought a New York City townhouse. So, he's in this neck of the woods. And I kind of just want to try and get another look at his face. I just needed to document this because I thought it was kind of cool, and I never see celebrities in public ever. So this might be the closest that I get. I sneezed on the beat and the beat got sicker. Say all I was not like bigger. Alright guys, so now I am back at school, if you could not tell, and I just realized that I totally forgot to end off this vlog. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to let me know in a comment down below. I really loved this vlog. I thought it was fun and informative, question mark. Not sure about that second part, but I know it was fun, and I really hope you guys liked it as much as I enjoyed editing it. So if you did, make sure to let me know in a comment down below, and subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!